Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. In the previous session, we have started with topic expansion formula of your textbook, and we are going to continue with lecture number 2 today, and it would be the extension of lecture 1. So if you have not attended lecture 1, so I would request please attend the session 1 and then come back to lecture 2 so that you are not having any queries. And anyways, if you are having any queries, I'm always there to help you out. Okay, so I hope my OneNote is visible to you all. Okay, and there are a few questions which were remaining, so let us quickly jump through that question. Let me take my pen and let us begin. Okay, just give me a moment. I'll switch off my video so that it's better streaming. And before that, let us see on which formula we were stuck. मतलब कौन सा formula पे हम लोग questions कर रहे थे. So questions were based on the formula x plus a and x plus b, which is equal to, what was the formula? Can anyone tell me? It is going to be x square plus, just give me a moment, x square plus a plus b x plus ab. And इसको हम लोग ने previous class में derive भी किया था. I hope you all can see this part. इधर गया, ये रहा. So it was derived. So don't forget this, okay? Since it's the prerequisite. ये नहीं आएगा तो कुछ नहीं आएगा. So let I am having today 3 and 5, 8 questions to be solved. We will try to complete it within half an hour. Okay. So let us start with the 7th question of textbook, and I will switch off my camera for a better streaming. Okay. So question number 7, that is a simple question. I don't know. It's not loading properly. There might be some net issue. So 7th question is what? M plus 2 upon 3, and here it's m minus 7 upon 3. Okay, so here it's going to be m square plus, that is x square. So I hope अभी तुम लोग को आ जाएगा. Since here your a is this, मतलब ये तुम्हारा a है, ये तुम्हारा b है, and ये तुम्हारा m is x. Okay, so I'm not mentioning that. So that's the reason I'm telling, if you are directly attending lecture 2, please go through lecture 1 का recording and then attend lecture 2. So m square plus a plus b, so 2 plus 3, and here it's minus 7 by 3, so minus ये आ जाएगा x. So that is your m plus ab. So what is your a? It's 2 by 3. What is your b? It's minus 7 by 3. ठीक है, याद रखना ये फॉर्मूला x plus a x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Don't forget this part. Okay, so here I am going to get m square plus, you solve this bracket, you are going to get, see there are same denominator. When denominator, see it's a rational number, any number which is of p by q form, it's a rational number. And when denominator is same, so whenever I carry operations, I just subtract the numerator. I hope this part is very clear. If not, I'm definitely going to conduct bridge course of rational number. So in that you can refer from that playlist. It's not yet recorded, so that's the reason I explained you the part. Okay, so m square minus 5 by 3 m minus 14 by 9. Okay, so your final answer would be therefore m plus 2 by 3 and m minus 7 by 3 is equal to m square minus 5 by 3 m minus 14 by 9. So this is how we have expanded. Okay, shall I go to the next question? That is question number 8. That is x plus 1 upon x. It's again a simple question, x plus 1 upon x and x minus 1 upon x. It's not a difficult question. So let's start again. If you want, write the formula somewhere. अगर नहीं आ रहा है ना तो सीटेट की तुम लोग फॉर्मूला लिखते जा रहे हो, since it's the most easiest way to reduce the chances of error in our question. So that's the reason. See, I am teaching from so many years this topic, but still I have a habit of writing formula in order that even I am not making errors. समझा क्यों लिखने का फॉर्मूला? ऐसा लगेगा क्या बार बार लिख रहा है, अभी एक बार तो सिखा दिया या एक बार तो आ गया, बट नो, It's mandatory. So here it's going to be x plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x. So sorry, a plus b ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट होएगा, फिर x आएगा a plus b x plus ab. So now here you can just do that way. So मुझे मिल जाएगा x square plus a plus b. तो 1 upon x minus 1 upon x a. So it's x plus 1 upon x into minus 1 upon x. Don't forget this minus sign. So इधर तो आ जाएगा x square plus 0x minus 1 upon x into minus 1 upon x. So it's going to be minus 1 upon x square. So your final answer would be therefore x plus 1 upon x and x minus 1 upon x is equal to, just give me a moment, is equal to x square. वो 0x नहीं कंसिडर किया तो भी चलेगा, एंड हियर इज x square minus 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square. ठीक है. So while copying final answer, see to it that you all are not making any errors. Then is there any question? One more question is there, that is question number 9. So I would request please try this. In the meanwhile, I will also start solving with y'all. Okay. So question number 9. Again it's very simple. See, ये question दिखने में difficult है, but ये सारे questions बहुत easy है. ठीक है. 10 मिनट के अंदर सारे questions हो जाएंगे आज. So let's come to question number 9. That is 1 upon y plus 4 and 1 upon y minus 9. If you want, I'll write it neatly. So 1 upon y minus 9. So here it's going to be again x plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. So इधर क्या आ जाएगा मुझे, 1 upon y square plus 4 minus 9, just give me a moment, plus 4 minus 9, that is bracket, plus 4 minus 9. Don't forget that x here, so it would be into 1 upon y plus ab, so it's 4 into minus 9. ठीक है. So this is the formulation part. So इधर क्या आ जाएगा मुझे, 1 upon y square, 9 minus 4 is 5, so here it's going to be minus 5 upon y minus 36. So your final answer is 1 upon y plus 4 and 1 upon y minus 9. उसको एक्सपांड करने पे मुझे मिला 1 upon y square minus 5 upon y minus 36. So this is my final answer. I hope it's easy. Let's go ahead, and with this we complete our exercise 5.1, but there are few additional questions which I want you all to practice. And first, just pause the video, don't go ahead, just try solving this question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then resume the video to check your answer. It's simply copying won't help you out here. I want you all to first solve by yourself and then check your answer rather than copying. I hope it makes sense. So rather than copying, please try by yourself. Okay. तो थोड़ा टेढ़ा है क्या लाइन, लग तो रहा है, बट जाने दो, can't help. ठीक है, चलो, लाइन से मतलब है, टेढ़ा आया कैसा आया, I don't mind. Let's go for the question. That is, first question here is x plus 2, x plus 3. So first question here is x plus 2, x plus 3. Now I am not going to again explain you here again x plus a. फॉर्मूला लिखते ही जाओ, भले कितना भी आ रहा है लिख दो. x plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. क्यों लिखने का, सो दैट कोई टर्म मिस ना हो जाए या कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाए तो पता चले अपने को. सो हियर इज गोइंग टू बी x square plus a plus b, so 2 plus bx plus ab, so 2 into 3. ठीक है. This question is very simple, extremely simple question. ठीक है. So don't worry. तो इधर मुझे क्या मिलेगा मेरा, आई एम गोइंग टू गेट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5x प्लस 6. So I am going to get x square plus 5x plus 6. So I won't waste much of the time on this question. These questions are easy. Let's go to second question, that is y plus 4 and y minus 3. So y plus 4 and y minus 3. Sometimes कभी कभी कितना होता है पता है क्या, इतना गाई रहता है अपने को इजी क्वेश्चन देख लिया कि we copy the question only wrong. Okay, and we just jumble. So don't do that way. So next again write down the formula, x plus a x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. तो इधर क्या आ जाएगा, y square plus a plus b, तो 4 minus 3 x is y here plus ab, so 4 into b, 4 into minus 3. So here it's going to be y square plus y, मतलब 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, so it's 1y के बदले y लिखो तो भी चलेगा, plus 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. So here it's going to be minus 12. So here my answer is going to be, therefore you can write here x plus 2 and x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. Similarly here y plus 4 and y minus 3 is equal to y square plus y minus 12. Okay, so this is the way you can always cross check your answer, and that's the reason I love this method of writing formula. Next is 2a plus 3b and 2a minus 3b. Don't worry, easy question is 2a plus 3b and 2a minus 3b. Okay, write the formula again. X plus a and x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab, and now expand it. It is easy. तो तुमको में क्या मिलेगा, 2a square plus a plus b. Just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. So sorry for disturbance. Let's continue. 2a square, 2a square plus क्या बोला आपने को, प्लस ए बी ना, तो प्लस ए बी इज व्हाट, 2a square plus ab. So here it's going to be 3a minus 3b a. So here it's going to be 2a plus a into b. So it's 3b into minus 3b, which is equal to, what is 2 square, students? It's 2 square is 4. Okay, and what is a square? It is a square plus here it's going to be 3a minus 3b into 2a. So don't forget, it's nothing, it's not 3b minus 3b, it's 3a minus 3b. Am I going wrong somewhere? हाँ इधर b आएगा. So sorry, 3b minus 3b. So it's 0 into 2a plus what is 3 into minus 3, 3b into minus 3b. So here it's going to be minus 9b square. So minus 9b square. तो ये आ जाएगा 4a square plus 0 minus 9b square. So this is what I am getting, 4a square minus 9b square, and therefore you can write which is equal to nothing but 4a square minus 9b square, and therefore 2a plus 3b and 2a minus 3b is equal to 4a square minus 9b square. 4a square minus 9b square. Okay, so done with this question also. Questions are easy. I repeat, questions are easy. Let's go for the next question, that is question number 4. Second last question which we were supposed to do for today, that is m plus 3 by 2 and m plus 1 by 2. Good question. M plus 3 by 2 and m plus 1 by 2. Same formula. So x plus a and x plus b is equal to, so this is the formula. Here what is your x square? It is m, so m square plus a plus bx, so 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2x, so m plus ab. So here it's going to be 3 upon 2 into 1 upon 2. solve this particular part. So here I am going to get m square plus 4 by 2 m plus what is 3 upon 2 into 1 upon 2. It's nothing but 3 upon 2 into 1 upon 2. So 3 into 1 upon 1, 2 into 2. 3 into 1 upon 2 into 2. So it's going to be 3 into 1 is 3 and 2 into 2 is 4. And therefore I got my answer. Therefore m plus 3 by 2 upon m plus 1 by 2 is equal to m square plus 4 by 2 m plus 3 by 4. See, these questions are simple. Don't tell me they are not. दो ऑप्शन है, अभी भी डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है, मतलब प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया लास्ट लेक्चर घर पे जाके, एंड या तो सिर्फ तुम लोग देख रहे हो बट सॉल्व नहीं कर रहे हो. देयर आर ओनली टू पॉसिबिलिटीज इन दिस केस. So don't just leave these questions. These questions are very easy. I repeat again and again, I'm repeating, these questions are very simple. So don't lose your marks in such types of question. दान है ये सब question अपने लिए. So please don't lose marks. I'll be the most disappointed person if इसमें marks जाएगा तो. Let's go for question number 5. Question number 5 is x minus 3 and x minus 7. Again, the simplest question which one can come across. Okay. So x minus 3 and x minus 7. First, you all try and then come on the board. One thing we can do here, I forgot to tell you. इसको थोड़ा और अच्छे से भी कर सकते हैं. ये देखो मेरे दिमाग से निकल गया, होता रहता है कभी कभी. 4 upon 2m है, so it's 2 ones are and 2 twos are. So is it not m square plus 2m plus 3 by 4? This is the last step. तो सी टू की तुम्हारा आंसर भी इधर ही तुम लोग छोड़ रहे हो. अगर मैंने पहले जो स्टेप पे छोड़ा था, अगर तुम लोग उधर छोड़ोगे तो हो सकता है हाफ मार्क रिड्यूस होने का चांस है. And let's come to the last question for today, that is x minus 3 and x minus 7. So x minus 3 and x minus 7. So x minus 3 and x minus 7. We are again going to use same formula, x plus a and x plus b, which is equal to x square plus a plus b, x plus x square. So here it's going to be x square plus a plus b. So minus 3 minus 7. X is x only here plus ab. So minus 3 minus 7. Here it's going to be x square. Minus 3 minus 7 is minus 10x. Plus here it's going to be ये 7 है and x नहीं है. People are confused here. So it's 7 and minus 3 into minus 7. 3 into 7 is 21. Minus minus plus. Okay. So therefore x square minus 10x plus 21. Therefore here it's going to be, just take the answers. Therefore x minus 3 and x minus 7 is equal to x square minus 10x plus 21. Okay, so let us check the answer, and you all can check this answer from the textbook as well. Okay, so just let this examples I have taken up from the textbook, so need not worry. If you think, actually कैसा पता है क्या, referring textbook is not a big deal, but half of the steps are not given and it's not up to the mark. So let me just stop the recording, because since we are done for the day, and if you want कि from where I have found the answers, मतलब ये questions किधर से मिला मुझे and check करने किधर से बोल रहे हो, so I have taken this as your question. Actually, I give all these questions as assignment questions for you to solve as homework, since with solution it is provided, but there are few steps missing, and ये पूरा linearly solve किया है एक ही line में, so it sounds very tedious, मतलब देख के अजीब लग रहा है. So that's the reason I have solved, since it's the very first lecture, first two lectures ही है, so I have solved these questions for you. Next time onwards, all the solved example will be considered in your assignment questions. So stay tuned for the next lecture. In next lecture, we are going to study about this formula, a plus b the whole cube. It's a very interesting formula, and meet you all soon with that. We'll stop the session today, and bye bye. Have a good day and stay tuned for further lectures. And कुछ रहेगा तो comment section में बता दो. Bye.